ki khubor ka bate CTV lawan rashapi ta ka Frank Motors kamon ban long slur ringkat bat kaman ba shongkhia ka shong ha ka jinglong scam bat jingjet bastard jongi ka Tata Harrier ka kali ka ban san ya ka lintia jongpi kala banong ka jongpi minta book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors lat korngi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khndai hinyo lai
Kajinyalang gulakhat da Sarkar Jilla limba katanat Food and Civil Supplies yakinoyalam ka North-East Petroleum Mazdoor Union halo ka jingber than ban Pynpoi Petrol ba diesel shaka Jilla Meghalaya mentaga sngi ka arpukandai trik unai Weng klarai ban Pynpoi biang yak umpnyang kumbajule hakini sngi bladep Yakati Kajinyalang lakli du Praveen Bakshi Commissioner and Secretary katanat Food and Civil Supplies ka Sarkar Jilla Haga Jingdonlang uba MB Tongper Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy, Uprasad SP ka East Khasi Hills, Udengan Additional Superintendent of Police, Ramendas General Secretary ka North-East Petroleum Mazdoor Union, uba Kennedy C. Krem President ka Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya, uba RL Bla President ka Meghalaya Indian Distributor Association ki Officer Nikitanat Food and Supplies ringkat ki Try Petrol Pump. Nakalang ka North-East Petroleum Mazdoor Union hading ka jingkran bat ka Sarkar kalarai ru banwengi ka jingki ka blathumu ban sedang naduk mentaka sengi ban pentikna bagi kalikit penyangkin wan caka jela kumbajuan.
From the side of the Food and Civil Supplies Department, from the state government, we have come with our team from the supply department and also joined by the officers of the district administration of Ribhoy as well as East Khasi Hill. They are there with us, and from the side of the Mazdoor Union, a team also has come to be a part of this meeting. From the side of the oil marketing company, IOCL, BPCL are here, and important stakeholders, the Petrol Pump Dealers Association also are here. So first of all, I'd like to thank all the stakeholders for this very good and cordial meeting that we had. As all of you know, there was a strike call which has been given from the side of North-East Petroleum Mazdoor Union. So on this, to break the deadlock, to find a way out, we had called for this meeting. They said that they would like to meet us in Nongpo, and therefore we have all come here. So the meeting was very fruitful. In the course of the meeting, many issues were raised with regards to the welfare of the Mazdoor Union and all the drivers, handymen. There were issues with regards to the IOCL, BPCL also on how they can give maybe better packages to them to support them. And from the side of the state government, we anyway support that the basic minimum wages and EPF, all those rights which are statutory rights should be given to the Mazdoor Union. And in the context of what has happened, there have been allegations of pilferage and all, because of which police action has followed. So we strongly feel that there should not be any kind of irregularity, because the oil tankers have to move smoothly, and if there is any pilferage, then it is not good. And having said that, from the side of the police, they have taken action and steps have been taken. So while they're taking action also, we have gently raised with them that they should try to make sure from their side that nobody is put to any kind of inconvenience who are innocent or who may just be doing their duty. So that also they have said they will take care. We don't have anything as such to say about the police action which is going on, because it's an ongoing investigation. And since it is a crime branch case, they will try to find out what is going on. So our principal appeal to our friends from the union and also all the other stakeholders is that the strike call in itself gives ground for people to feel insecure, and it causes a grievance. People rush. There is a lot of panic buying of POL products, huge lines in front of the petrol pump, which puts the public to inconvenience. So we only raise this issue with them, that while there are points which we will be able to solve among ourselves, let there not be any inconvenience to the public. And therefore, we have given a call to them. We have asked them that the strike call should be lifted as soon as possible. Having said that, they are saying there is no strike in the first place because it was supposed to start from today. Today we have met in a very cooperative and a very cordial manner. We will try to work out a solution so that there is no strike, and all the points which have been raised from whosoever side will be looked into. So we are going to get the minutes of the meeting made as soon as possible, and once it is done, I am sure that there will be some kind of a press release, some kind of statement from the side of the Mazdoor Union that the strike has been called off. But broadly, all of us are of the view that having raised all our points, we don't have any real, points to carry forward, and for them also to raise a point in the form of a strike. So we are very hopeful. We are very hopeful that soon, by I think in the next few hours or by the end of the day, the strike will be called off. And people in our state, do not go for panic buying. First of all, there is no shortage. Enough stock is there, so there is no need for any panic. Number two is that we are working to find a solution. Number three, over the last 2 days, more than what is the normal quota of POL has already reached our state, both in Garo Hills and Khasi Hills. So there is no ground, there is no reason for anybody to be in a state of panic. So we ask all the people of our state also to just wait. By the end of the day, we'll be able to solve the problem.
बहुत सुंदर एनवायरनमेंट में मीटिंग हुआ, थैंक्स टू द सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट, स्पेशली मिस्टर प्रवीण बख्शी। इनका इनिशिएटिव में ये मीटिंग हुआ। आज स्ट्राइक हम लोग अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं किया, ये मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो रहा है। यस, बिकॉज दिस लेटर वाज सेंट टू द सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट, बट हाउ इट इज़ लीक्ड आई डोंट नो। सो हम लोग अभी जा रहा है माइनट्स लेके हमारा हेडक्वार्टर में गुवाहाटी, उधर जाके सबसे बात करके पॉजिटिव मैसेज आप लोग का पास आने वाला है, हम बोल के जा रहे हैं। और पैनिक करने का ज़रूरत नहीं, आप लोग का माने माल खाली करने का अंडरग्राउंड में जगह नहीं है। इतना माल हम लोग लोड करा के रखा था, क्योंकि 2 दिन आगे हम चिट्ठी दिया था ऑल द डीलर्स। इधर डीलर्स से हम लोग पर्सनली फ़ोन करके बोला था आप माल डबल स्टॉक कर लीजिए। इन द मीन टाइम हमारा बख्शी साहब का मैसेज हमको मिल गया, तो इनका मैसेज मिलना मतलब ये लेके 4 टाइम्स मीटिंग हुआ हम लोगों का। ये इशू नहीं है, वेराइटीज इशू लेके और इशू सक्सेस हुआ था, इसीलिए ये इशू नहीं है आज का, और ये ऑटोमेटिकली चलेगा। गैस भी अवेलेबल है, 16 LPG गैस ट्रक आर कमिंग विदिन 10 मिनट्स टू योर शिलोंग। अभी सुबह रेडी करके आया हम, क्योंकि यूनियन का बारे में जानता है, यूनियन मीन्स यूनिटी। जब ये लोग सुना हम लोग चला जा रहा है स्ट्राइक में, गैस वाला बैठ गया उधर, ये भी हम लोग का मेंबर है, तो समझा के हम लोग सब करके आया। थैंक यू वेरी मच। आप लोग ये मैसेज दीजिए, क्योंकि हम लोग आ रहे हैं आप लोग का स्टेट में सर्विस देने के लिए। हम लोग ये आशा रखेगा आप लोग से गुड बिहेवियर, गुड कोऑपरेशन, और हम लोग भी जितना तक सके फुल सर्विस देने के लिए तैयार है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Kasi nakaliang jong ka government ng Meghalaya hapo jingalam jong Mr. Praveen Bakshi, Commissioner Secretary jong ka Food and Civil Supply, ka Supply Department, ka District Administration jong ka Ribohoy, nakaliang jong ka Mazdoor Union, but nakaliang jong ki Petrol Dealers Association kuntup at LPG dan ibabla ni ko nangalam te nang ta ki oil company IOC, BPCL, but HPC. Nila don ka joint meeting menta kasi, but ka meeting galong successful ba, galong saiso. Haban na kaliang jong ngi bro lai, bro stakeholder ni ka badon ni. Hadian balai I katuka sithi balapha daka Mazdoor Union. Bakan don ka strike nando menta kasi nilai I ki breu jungi bro kilai kandet kilai long panic bong ten pareng kilai mere ban pendap umkniang ngila ai ka press statement menen henry wala kataru kadang kata ha wana kaliang jungi kalong great concern kani bro kami hadian ka jing kendang jong ki pulit ya ki katu kat neteli ki jaka ya detu ya thi ya tu umkniang ki badon ha ka national highway 6 ka sedang nado jorobat terter Te pilai ke press release bagi polis kila pha ke new location kila ada kendang ada sis ki kali kila kami ki beriu kila sis ya ki stolen property ki bade ke petrol diesel kerosene bat ki tiar wa pendan kam kumno bantu ke tu nang takum tar ni nagalang jungi ka association ke jungi ngimdon ni ai persya ino ngilong persya ya ke tu ki betu kamar ke junga ka ngalat hit na poi si tang lenti don betu ngon ka hok ban complete ti lek sa kaan ai ba kaan kan shim action kum mangalap kren ka petroleum products kamtam petrol diesel kadi ka baki khot kan highly flammable explosive substance na man subu kum tu sini satai long kat kum kaan kam sya katu kalalong illegal lupa sa kijing itu kani katai tingim doni ai persya ki driver ki balong innocent ngim doni ai persya ka mas dur union ngim doni ai persya ino kabangi persya kadai ya ki betu tang ya ki batu ya ki criminals dai ban pensi tom kat kum ka ai ka an kan ya ti hadian nang tu belale ka lapen mi ke press release nang tu tenaga yang mas dur union ngi tu city ki ong bakadon ka jingle tor jingle bor high handedness kan prank ki ong atrocities ka jingle keput lene tersyur jong kai police tengi lai kan mentah ni ladakum kata kadon nak yang jungi ke association ruk ngi condemn ye kata but I can let ka ai nobody is above the law ten prank ong mdan bol holo jong ka ai can let ka ai ti hadian ngi lai kren bah lai suk mentalai baik te katu kat ni nak yang jong mas dur union ki ong ba ki don ki bangi hap nya penbek handiat akabele bat ngi ki try bat ki oil companies kum ka tulop ya ki nong tray jungi nang ta ka bangi julia ke insurance nomor banyak kali kit umkniang golong high risk maka tu kadai mo ipi explosive products highly flammable products kalong high risk teng kadu istelenti ka kali ki hapan sna simit ba katu kali kanumiang henti maka di ben poi ba jika pom kum tar te kidon ki incentive ki bana kalyang jongiru ngila ong yaki ya kena ingin session na kalyang jongi ki try petrol pom rangkat kini ka union bat ki transporter ki driver ngin session bat ki ai ka bangila banle na kalyang jongi ngi 100% cooperation im jan ngi dai bendon ke jing trilang tinggal ipun baik mentah kena kalyang ka mas dur union kilo ong ba ko mentah ka sengi hi berkhot kin poi goti kin call ka meeting ba kin call off no ya kani ka strike bahkan dum don show te company ang kan poi hi saki jaka jungi kum jo ro ya ka gas te nagal yang jungi ka association ngi sutanat ya kani ka meeting belapan long ngai kublai ya ka department ya ka government meghalaya ko jinlam jong u commissioner secretary yo DC nongpo SP nongpo police bat borok ki stakeholder bulan mentang sengi bahkan ni ka jingkendu jungi kalong saiso tanggawi ka message ka bangin ai sikipat ba kalong ngilai ke jingken tho ke social media ke bangim sutenat tang si beton ke strike beton kene ketai ya kan tho away ke bom sutenat te kalong suka bonong tang away sobha wat jingtip batikna bat sakran kalong bi bangin si pata sebenang sakendo klimatip ya jisha nomor ka jingle ran kawan nya ki hadian bat saka baar ndai man khuslai than ban long penik ya kene ong makan don ke strike ni don kumno ban take care nomor yangi ke sarkar yangi ke company ke labo yangi nomor ke petrol diesel umpiang syarak kini ke ke essential commodities ke bangi haban Pynpoi support ba kom Pynpoi yu kha udai wata ujur komunitas te ke sarkar kan kala sim khia ngi sim khia ba company ke sim khia ngin Pynpoi laradon kam buat ke police escort ngi ong menen ternyata kada ngapil biang ipat ba kombolong menen puterpom la jam lot ke sorok la jam lot baro e the pniang la kombom yo su te sobha ko pat ba wat choi ka jing shisha nang ta nai long penik than nomor kani ka kalong biet teng teng
the main aims and objectives as concerned citizens is with regards to the supply of essential commodities which falls under the petroleum products, that is high speed diesel, motor spirit, kerosene, as well as LPG. So the moment that we have seen in the news channel and in the social media that the strike will be implemented from today, the 29th of November 2023. People, especially in Shillong City, we have witnessed a mad rush. There is panic everywhere. All the ROs were lined up and queuing up to 11:30 and almost up to midnight last night. So first of all, we express our thanks and gratitude to Kennedy Khrem, who is the president of all Meghalaya petroleum dealers. And we have with us also our officer, who is also the state level coordinator for Meghalaya for looking after all these petroleum products. We are here today. We have attended this meeting with a grave concern, looking at the extent that what will be the impact upon the livelihood of the people in the entire state. Because since we don't have any other modes of transport in the hill station, it is only through road transport. So diesel and petrol are very essential, and also for LPG. Since I'm representing on behalf of the LPG Distributors Association, why I have come here is because once we got the call from the government for this meeting, we came here with a concern because today it may affect diesel and petrol and kerosene. Tomorrow it may affect LPG also, because these trade unions, these Mazdoor unions, are one and the same in Assam. So if it is not resolved today, there will be a great impact for us, especially now we are entering into the festive season for Christmas. So we are very happy indeed, and we fully support Kennedy and his association and the state government as well. And we are also happy with the letter that the Mazdoor Union have given before the secretary and the government, in which they have made a commitment that the culprits who are involved, the law will take its own course. And we condemn all these malpractices that have been taken place. And we support that all petrol pump dealers, along with us LPG dealers, that we have to be very vigilant in the near future to look around us, that such pilferages or adulteration should not have a space in our state.